In this video, you will learn how to create lo-fi music using AI in 6 simple steps. Choosing a lo-fi style that fits you, generating music, adding background sounds, generating your background image or video, editing your audio and video together, and sharing your music on YouTube. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I'm also going to share some tips on how to attract viewers to your channel. So, let's get started. For those who do not know, lo-fi music refers to low-fidelity music, music intentionally recorded with imperfections, like incorrectly played notes, ambient noise, a subtle hum, or audio flaws, in contrast to high-fidelity, or hi-fi, which emphasizes top-notch sound reproduction. The intentional flaws in lo-fi music are widely favored for their positive impact, particularly in the context of enhancing the studying experience. Lo-fi music combines elements of hip-hop, jazz, and dream pop. YouTubers can't get enough of this nice, laid-back atmosphere this particular music genre offers. It has a fairly straightforward melodic structure and a warm, tranquil feel. Respectable-sounding lo-fi hip-hop music can be achieved with the help of some jazzy chord progressions, funky drum patterns, ambient noises, and nostalgic movie lines, together with natural sounds like rain, birds chirping, or the trumpet of an elephant. Animated images also play a significant role in creating the mood of the lo-fi aesthetic. Now, let's walk you through the process of crafting lo-fi music. Step 1. Choose a lo-fi style that fits you. There are so many different lo-fi styles. You should identify a distinct musical style and feel that isn't being used too much if you want to stand out. You'll notice that many lo-fi channels label their music as for specific purposes. For example, beats for reading, beats for sleeping, beats for cooking, and so on. And to make their channels unique, many of them also incorporate background noises, like natural animal sounds. It's your responsibility to put together a sound, picture, and music combination that conveys a distinct feeling not found on YouTube at the moment. There are popular examples on YouTube, like Cozy Tavern on a Rainy Day, Rainy Jazz Cafe, Rainy Lofi Hip Hop, Girls Hip Hop. Step 2. Generate music. There are several AI platforms for generating music with AI. It's important to do research and select the best music AI generator that fits you. There are several paid and free examples of these music generators. The top examples are Lo-Fi Beat Generator and Mubert AI Music. But for this video, we'll stick with AIVA. AIVA has a number of tools that make music production easier and more fun. You can compose unique music using AIVA. This app allows you to choose the time signature, key, pace, emotion, duration, instruments, and harmony. Simply put, it allows you to totally customize your sound. There are many other preset styles available in AIVA, such as jazz, orchestral, pop, alternative, heavy rock, and trap. You only need to indicate your desired mood, length, and number of compositions, and the AI will produce the song in accordance. AIVA provides a free membership that allows for 3 free downloads each month, each lasting no more than 3 minutes. A premium edition is also available, which allows you to retain the copyright for the music. Step 3. Add background sounds. To spice things up, you can add background sounds to the music you've already generated. Most background sounds, like I said earlier, are usually natural sounds or ambient noises. This is completely optional. To get the sound effects, you may either pay $10 a month for a sound library, like Epidemic Sound, or utilize a free sound library like Mixkit, or 99 Sounds. To edit your audio, you can use a free program like Audacity, or a music-focused program like Soundtrap. Alternatively, you can edit all of your sounds directly in a video editor like Adobe After Effects. But for the purpose of this video, we'll stick with Audacity. Launch a brand new Audacity project, open the program, and import your music and background sounds. Drag the background sound to begin playing behind your music at the desired location. To find balance, adjust the background sound and music volume. To guarantee seamless transitions between the music sections, make use of the fade in and fade out functions. Lastly, export the newly created audio file in a format of your choice, like WAV. Step 4. Make your background image or video. If your goal is to upload to YouTube, I'd advise you to use Midjourney to create the picture of your video and its thumbnail. To animate the picture, you can use PikaLabs or any other AI animation tool. For more details on that, you can watch our videos on how to use Midjourney and how to animate your drawings with AI. Step 5. Edit your audio and video. Adobe Premiere Pro excels at seamlessly combining audio and video, but feel free to utilize any video editor that suits your preference. Step 6. Share your music. Once you've crafted your amazing music video, sharing it on YouTube is a breeze. Simply log on to your YouTube account, click on the Create button, and then choose Upload Video. Select your video file, add a catchy title and description, and hit the Publish button. Now, your music video is ready to be enjoyed by your audience on YouTube. Now, for the exciting part, how to attract viewers to your Lo-Fi channel. Here are a few tips to get you started. Develop consistent visual and thematic branding for your channel, including logos, colors, and video thumbnails. Use descriptive and captivating titles, and provide detailed descriptions for your videos to improve searchability. Include relevant tags and keywords in your video settings to enhance search engine optimization, or SEO, and attract viewers interested in lo-fi music. Organize your music into playlists based on themes or moods, making it easier for viewers to discover and enjoy your content. Establish a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Encourage interaction by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and involving your audience in discussions or polls. Collaborate with other lo-fi artists or visual creators to cross-promote and introduce your channel to a broader audience. Share your music and updates on social media platforms to reach a wider audience and connect with potential viewers. Remember, building a successful channel takes time, so be patient and stay committed to creating content that resonates with your target audience. And there you have it. We'd love to hear your thoughts on creating lo-fi music with AI. How do you envision this technology influencing the music landscape or your own creative process? Share your insights in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any videos from us. See you in the next video.